Hi, today we will discuss present indefinite tense, how to use and where to use in both written and spoken English. Present simple or present indefinite, both are same. First, we will discuss the usage that where we can use present simple. Later on, we will discuss how to construct sentences, how to make negative and how to make interrogative. So the first use of present simple is we can use it to describe habits. Whenever we want to talk about habits, so we can use present simple. For example, I get up late every Sunday. I get up late every Sunday. So now this is my habit. Whenever you want to describe or whenever you want to discuss your habits, if that is good or bad, so you can use present simple or present indefinite tense. Like this, that I get up late every Sunday, I get up early every Sunday, I smoke cigarette every Sunday, I play cricket every Sunday. So the first usage of present indefinite tense is we can use it to describe habits. It can be used for universal truth. Those actions or activities in which we cannot bring change, or we cannot change that. For example, the sun rises in the east. So now we cannot change this. The sun rises in the east in Asia, the sun rises in the east in European countries, everywhere around the world sun rises in the east. So those actions or activities which we cannot change. For that we use present simple or present indefinite. It is also called universal truth. It is used to describe permanent situations. Means whenever you are talking about permanent situations, so simply you will have to use present simple or present indefinite tense. For example, I live in Pakistan, so it means that I used to live in Pakistan. Means in past I lived in Pakistan, still I am living in Pakistan, and in future I will also live in Pakistan. So these actions or activities are permanent. So whenever we are talking about permanent situations, we use present simple. We can use it to talk about fixed future plan. Those actions or activities which we planned and we don't want to bring change in that, or those actions or activities which is planned and change is not possible. For example, bus leaves for the capital at 3 p.m. Now it's the timing of the bus, means bus leaves at 3 p.m. On daily basis. So now this is fixed time, meaning the time is fixed. It is the better option to discuss short actions now. For example, he takes the ball and score a goal. So whenever we are talking about short actions, so we can also use present simple tense. We can use it to talk about conditional clauses. Means we can also use it for zero conditional and we can also use it for conditional clause 1. For example, if you call, I will receive. So now this is conditional clause 1, and we can also use present simple in zero conditional. Whenever we are talking about third person pronoun like he, she, it, or singular noun, we will add s or es with action words. Now you will be a bit confused that where we will use s or where we will use es. So let me explain that. Those words which hold o, ch, sh, th, ss, gh or z in the end, then you will have to add es whenever we are talking about third person pronoun. You will add es while the rest, means those words which do not hold o, ch, sh, th, ss, gh, z in the end, we will only add s. For example, she goes to school. So now in this case the verb ends with O, that's why I add here ES. He watches movie. So now here the verb hold CH. So that's why I add here ES. So whenever, as I mentioned earlier, that those verbs which hold O, CH, TCH, SS, Z or simply O, we'll have to put their ES, while with the rest we'll only put S. Now in this case I put here S because the verb does not hold any CH, O, GH or Z, and the verb ends with K, which is not in the list. So here I have put here S. Another example, Ali plays cricket. So now in this case again I put there S because here is no CH, no TCH, negative. Whenever we want to make negative, we'll have to put here does not with third person pronoun and singular noun. Keep in mind whenever we put does, so that means if we add S or ES with the action word, we'll have to remove that. For example, Ali does not play cricket. So now means I have added in the first example S here, which I have removed from the first one. Means in the simple sentence I mentioned that Ali plays cricket, but in this case here is no S. Why? Because we cannot put two singular verbs in one sentence. So does is already singular. We cannot put S here. So the sentence will be Ali does not play cricket. So whenever you add S or ES with action verb and you put there does not, whenever you are talking about third person pronoun, so you'll have to mean remove that S or ES from the main verb. Interrogative, we'll have to start sentence with does. Does Ali play cricket? So there will be two possible answers. Yes, Ali plays. No, Ali does not play. In first case I add here is because here isn't any other verb like does, but in this case I just remove that is from the action verb because I put here does, which I have explained already that what is the reason. What does Ali play? This is WH questions or informative questions. So Ali plays cricket. Now we will discuss first person pronoun, second person pronoun. Whenever we are talking about first person, second person are plural, so we will not add any S or ES. Like this, that simply I play cricket. We eat chicken. Whenever we want to make negative, so we'll just put here do not. I do not play cricket. Interrogative, we can simply make interrogative. Do you play cricket? So in the same case there will be two possible answers, that yes I play, no I do not play. Yes I play, no I do not play. What do you play? So the short answer, I play cricket. I hope you learn present indefinite tense. So you should practice, you should use these rules and you should keep all these points in mind. You will be able to use present simple according to the rules and regulation of grammar. Thank you for watching.